Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Daniela and on this channel we make crafts and cocktails. Unfortunately, I lost my SD card, so I've already recorded the video that we're making today and lost it because my boyfriend and I looked for 2 solid hours and we couldn't find my SD card anywhere. So I re-recorded a mini version just using my phone. And I don't have a cocktail today because I already made it. So I don't have the ingredients anymore, so please bear with me. This is a different video for me. I've never really recorded on my phone before, other than the video I just recorded before this, because I gave up hope that I was going to find my SD card. So bear with me. I hope you guys like these. Anyways, I'm really excited to show you all of the super cute wearable last minute like Christmas DIYs that I made, and I think you're really gonna enjoy them. Let's get into it. Our first DIY are these super cute snowflake earrings. Here you can see me wearing it, and all I did was take these cute little snowflakes that I got at Dollar Tree. They came in a 6-pack, and all I did was really just use is it called a jumper ring, something like that. Anyways, it's by all the jewelry making supplies, and a nice little hook earring piece as well. And I'm taking these little blue gems that I got in a large rainbow pack at Walmart, gluing those together because they sandwich together perfectly in the little center of the snowflake. So I just sandwich them together and then hot glue them into the center of the snowflake, as you can see here. Then attach it to the jump ring, attach the jump ring from the snowflake to the earring piece, and that's it. These are super cute and festive, and they're good all winter long. Our second cute apparel DIY are these adorable gift wrap bow earrings. I wore these to work along with the clip that you'll see soon, and I got so many compliments. It's so stinking easy. All I did was buy these cute little mini bows, I think from Dollar General, for like $1, and it came in gold, red, and green, and I think it was like a 6 or an 8-pack for $1. So all I do is cut off my little tag to make it a little bit smaller, peel off the back, and glue on an earring post that I got from Michael's. By the way, any of the stuff that I can find, I will link below if I can find it online. Again, thanks for your patience, guys. I know that the quality's not great. I really struggled with figuring out the phone thing. Our third DIY is this super cute bracelet that looks like little Christmas tree lights. I got this pack of little Christmas tree lights as a set from, I think, Hobby Lobby for like $1.99, but they were 50% off for Christmas. And all I did was use my jump rings again and attach them to an already existing bracelet chain that I bought from Michael's. Again, anything I can find that's similar or close, I'll link down below. This bracelet was a 2-pack actually, so I could make another one in the future. And all I did was attach each single little light with a jumper ring and then onto the bracelet. Again, I already created this in a video that I potentially forever lost, and so I'm just recreating it for you and showing you what it's like to reattach one of the lights using the jumper ring. Our last DIY is this super cute hair clip that has little Christmas presents on it. I got these Christmas presents from Dollar Tree. They came in a, let's see, I got 4 clips out of it, and each one has 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Yes, I can math still. And these hair clips that I bought in a big pack from, I think, also Hobby Lobby. All I did was super easy. I just used some hot glue and then glued the bottom of each little gift onto my hair clip. Again, this made 4. So it looks really cute in your hair. Again, I got a lot of compliments on this at work. I also, in the video last, took pictures with little space buns, and it looks super cute if you have cute little buns in your hair, and put these as well. If you want this to last longer, I would use E6000 glue. That's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for bearing with my struggles, and I hope you stay. Like and subscribe.